Hey guys, back to Aviation Realty out here at Bloomingdale at the Pines with Tommy from DR Horton. He's going to be doing a walkthrough of one of the townhomes so you can see it furnished. Man, I'm going to tell you, it looks way different. So let's go check this out. Here's the front of the home with Tommy in front of it. He doesn't come with the property, but he can if we ask him hard enough. But let's go walk in.
Hey, everybody's got a price.
I'll tell you, the last one we did of these was unfurnished, and you really couldn't get a feel for it, but wow.
Makes all the difference, and I think it's just because your mind can see how it will function at that point as opposed to it just being empty. So as you come in the nice wide hallway, you got your half bathroom right up front here. Nice. Tucked away.
We got
garage
this
door here to the right there.
We got this coat closet right here.
Closet.
Bam. And then the one car garage.
Yep, one car garage. Comes with the garage door opener, which is part of that smart home system. So you can use your phones as well.
So you can use your phone to open up the garage.
That's right.
Nice.
Yes. You can also use your phone to unlock the deadbolt. You can do the thermostat with it. You'll be able to operate a smart light switch with it. It'll also come with Amazon Dot. So it's a lot of smart home things that are included in the price of your home. You don't have to pay any extra for all that
Fantastic,
stuff.
fantastic.
Yes.
Granite countertops, I love that. You get your range stove. You get a dishwasher. No fridge, right?
Correct. We don't include the refrigerator, so that's something that you'll want to possibly have after closing.
All right.
Spacious pantry.
That is spacious. Look at this.
Good
I
size
mean,
furniture.
good size furniture in here. You got a lot of space. You can pick TV there, which they like to look at a painting, or you have your TV there, but then it goes out to the back. And this one, and a lot of them have woods, right? This
Correct.
one with
the
a
ones
pond.
that we're talking about do have a wooded view behind them. It's not quite like this, but just like these ones, the property will go to the one stick over here. Looks like the one over here has been removed, but it will be kind of in line with that. So you could fence essentially this small space in here. So you get a little backyard.
Anything going back there, do you know?
Not back there as far as I know, but with new construction, there's no guarantees.
Right, okay. All right, cool. I like the flooring, looks good. And this is
durable. It is waterproof, which is always nice for folks who have pets or small children. If somebody steals something, you don't have to worry about it curling up or anything like that.
And then this is the white color cabinets.
This is the white color cabinets. Our other option is a gray color cabinet. When the cabinet colors change, the only other thing that changes is the carpet color. So the granite, the flooring, and everything else will stay the same. So white cabinets come with kind of a tannish color carpet. The gray come with a gray carpet. That's
Okay, too easy.
Yes, simplistic is how we like to do it.
And then I saw on your flyer that it's 5.25 interest rate. Is that correct?
I believe we're doing 5.5 right now for the government loan. That might be an old flyer. I'll get you an updated one.
Okay.
So 5.5 for government, 5.75 for conventional. So still much better than 7 or 7.5.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
At the top here, you do have this nice linen closet.
And this is the carpet you're talking about. So you get it looks like a cream.
Yeah. It's not as light as a lot of folks think it's going to be.
Right. Now this is impressive.
Spacious master.
Here's the primary bedroom. And this is a king size bed all day, every day.
Fits in here really well. Still got some seating area. And then you got a nice big hour closet.
Look at that. Big size closet. You can fit all kinds of furniture in here. I love it. Let's go to this bathroom here too. So the primary has their own bathroom with dual vanity. White, of course, cabinets, standing shower. Great. And this will actually give people an idea what kind of furniture they can put in here, right?
And everything in this house comes from Wayfair, so you can make your house look exactly like this if you really want to. Yes, you just love this look. It's possible.
Fantastic. This is... Oh, you already did that. Yeah. This is the Christmas closet that Tommy likes to talk about.
Yep, Christmas closet. So it does have that little Dana panel on the side for all your internet stuff. The reason this closet exists is because it's where the air conditioner and the water heater are supposed to go. We figured let's give you some more storage space. So I figure what may go in the attic, possibly Christmas stuff, that can go in the Christmas closet.
Okay. All right. Then we'll walk in here.
Good sized guest bedroom with really nice deep closets.
Yeah.
We include the blinds, so just as you see it comes with blinds, we include blinds as well.
And fire alarms, obviously.
Yes.
And then here is the laundry. So your laundry is upstairs. Love that. No laundry has to go downstairs. There's your bathroom for everybody else. All right, shower tub combo. Love that. Let's go in this bedroom. So what is this? What kind of bed is this?
I believe this was a full bed.
Full size bed. You can fit a queen And that's probably about it, right? You don't want to get
I would
crazy.
think so. You might be pushing it once you don't need furniture in there.
Here's the closet. All right. And let's talk about the amenities. So I saw the pool. We got that. So what's going on with the amenity centers? What are we going to have here?
It's coming along. Hopefully we'll have it done before the end of the summer, possibly late, the early fall if we have any delays, but it's moving right along. So it's going to be pool. There's going to be a playground over there. There's going to be a little fitness center, which I think is just going to be a couple of treadmills in there. We'll have sidewalks throughout the neighborhood on both sides of the street. And then specifically with the townhomes, you have some extra stuff going on. So back here, you're also going to have maintenance-free lifestyle is what we call it. So your termite bond will be included in your HOA dues, so we'll pressure washing once a year. They will maintain your lawn for you, unless you fence in the backyard, in which case you do get to include that in there. And they will have reserves for roof replacement down the road. So a lot of the stuff you would deal with in a single family yourself, you're helping, the HOA will help with that down the road.
And this one's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,418 square feet.
Correct.
$275.
Correct. $275 for the ones that are on ends. We do have some that are in the middle. I think they're in the $268 range. Literally the only difference is the location. We just feel like most people will pay a little bit more for those end units.
Okay, and then the HOA fees, what, $275 a month?
Correct. It's $275 a month, and that's going to include not only the use of the amenities, but all that stuff with the maintenance free as well.
All right, fantastic, Tom. I appreciate it, man.
Thanks for coming out. Appreciate your time.
All right, here's an update of the pool area. As you can see, they're not quite done yet. They're still working on it, but they're getting close. They're building the pond over there. Oh yeah, here you go. So this is the Pearson townhome in the Pines in Bloomingdale. If you guys have any questions, you give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.